Hello, Bruce here from Panasonic, and this is how to do a thing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tune in your free-to-air TV signals using a UHF antenna. Now, the process I'm going to go through today is tuning in New Zealand's specific free-to-air TV channels. The same principles will apply in your country, however you may have a slightly different result or a slight variation. Let's get started. First of all, you'll need to make sure your TV is turned on and plugged in to the Bellinglee or TV antenna connection. You'll find on the back of your TV that there are two connections. For this one, it's the one that just slots in. This is what we call a Bellinglee, and then of course with the same cable, plug that into your connection on the wall. Now, once you've got your TV turned on, press the home button and go to the settings menu in the main menu. Scroll down until you get to Live TV. And then inside Live TV, you want to select Broadcast Options. Go to Set Up TV Signals, and then make sure that you've got Antenna enabled. Apply changes, and then it should automatically start scanning for new channels on your UHF signal. Now, if your TV signal hasn't tuned in, there are a couple of things that you might want to check. First of all, you can check how strong your signal quality and strength is from the TV tuning menu. Go to Broadcast Options again, and Antenna TV tuning menu. So in here you can actually check the signal condition. Because I've got good signal, it'll come up with close to 100%. But if you're getting choppy signal on different channels, then it might be something to do with your antenna up on your roof. Now, there are a couple of things that can affect your TV signal condition that you might want to check out if you can safely do so. Number one, the age of your antenna and the angle that it's pointing in. Check to make sure that your antenna is pointed in exactly the same direction as your neighbor's. The other thing that you can check is how many splits you have in your TV antenna system. Every time you split your TV antenna signal, you lose about 2 decibels of signal strength. So the more splits and joins that you have in your system can also degrade and reduce your signal quality and strength. If your TV reception is still poor, you may want to get a specialist out to realign your antenna and check the signal quality with a proper UHF meter on your roof. Well, that's it for this video. If you're looking for more information, please check out Panasonic.com or watch some of our other how-to videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you next time.